Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial I will discuss about how to get new iOS 18 wallpapers on your iPhone on iOS devices. How can I take iOS 18 wallpapers? So keep watching this video until then. Open setting application on your iPhone and scroll down and find out wallpapers, and here is add new wallpaper, and here scroll down until you will see iOS 18, and here you can see iOS 18 is, these are all the wallpapers of iOS 18. Here you can see you can select anyone you want to add on your iPhone screen. So I want to add this one. Here tap on it, and simply guys, you can automatic light and dark selection in three these. Now simply tap on add top right corner, tap on set wallpaper pair, and guys your wallpaper has been done, you can see. So I hope this video helpful for you. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.